Hi guys, it's Tom here, and after watching this video I promise you'll never have to go to a pharmacy again to buy cough syrup. This plant here is called plantain, and it's a remedy against wounds and the coughing. It's spread almost all across the globe and it's really abundant. So we're gonna pick a bunch of them and then I'm gonna show you how to make the syrup. Also, this is a plant that's really easy to identify and you can hardly confuse it with anything poisonous. I cut the plant into smaller pieces that fit into my jar easily, and I put a layer of the plantain in my jar like that. And then a layer of sugar. And then guess what? A layer of plantain again. And another layer of sugar. And a layer of plantain. And so on till the jar is full. Now my jar is really packed full, and what I have to do now is find a shady spot and bury it in the ground. Hey guys, so I already dug the hole. I put my jar into the hole now and then close it all up. And afterwards mark it so I can find it again. Now we have to wait one moon cycle or a month and then we're gonna have a look again. Okay guys, so 1 month passed now and we can dig out our jar. Let's go. Already you can see someone moved the stones here, but I could still find it. So there's our treasure. See? Oh, that's the juice we want. Okay, so now we drop all of this in an old t-shirt cloth. And then filtrate it through the cloth. Oh yeah. Mmm. Mmm. Really good. And look at this. That's our harvest here. Mmm. Nice one. So let's see. So this is our harvest here. Quite good. And it's really delicious. Very sweet though, but I can really recommend.